Hey, this is Brady with Pontoon Deck Boat Magazine, and we got an exciting install for you today. For years I've been telling everyone about this Lillipad diving board, and I'm actually going to put one on my boat today. It's super easy to install, and man, my kids are going to love me for it, so pretty excited to get into it. Let's take a close look. Alright, let's tear into this thing and see what we got. As you can see, everything comes almost pre-assembled, and they really do a good job here, just making sure everything's all together, not a lot of assembly required. Oh yeah. Sweet. Now, other than removing the packaging that it came in, this is exactly what you get when you open the box. It's all put together. What I like about this company, they just really make it real easy for you to install it. Alright, what you want to do next is actually assemble it. That part is pretty easy. Just going to pull these pins. How easily that is. Slide the pins back in. There you go. Alright, this next step is very critical. This is where we're going to place the ladder and the diving board set up exactly where it's going to be mounted on the boat. Okay? Now keep in mind, it needs to be flush the exterior of your boat, because if it's not, there's a chance you could snag it, or that you're coming in the dock or whatever. So get the exactly how you feel is going to be the ideal spot for your ladder. It's the diving board here. Okay. Now for this one we had a surface mount kit, which I highly recommend. It makes it very easy. And so the next step is to mark the holes so we can put on the brackets. So see here, I just trace as well as mark the hole. Moving back to here. Alright, let's move on to the brackets. Alright, now we just put the brackets in place right where we traced, made an outline. Now they're ready to be screwed down. Now that we have the surface brackets on, the next step is to line it up. Simple as that. Alright, now if the install looked easy, it's because it really was. It went together very quickly and nice. Now, but I do recommend that you always watch those videos that are on the manufacturer's website page, because they have more details and everything else, but we just want to kind of show you how it is. So we've got it in place, we've got it locked down, we've got this handle. We're ready to test this out, but for this we're going to need some professionals.